Hi guys, welcome to another exciting episode with EnnyGeleCraft. And on today's episode, I will be teaching you how to tie an unconventional style of gele. Come with me. Hi guys, so let's get started. Alright, so this is my material. So today we're working with a 2 yard gele, a 2 yard length of gele. And so for this particular style, today we're gonna be doing, just as you know, we're gonna be doing the half fan twist gele. And so the fan is gonna be on any of the sides on the model's head, any way you choose. You can make it from here to here or from here to here. Let's get our measurement. So how do you get your measurement? Okay, this is a 2 yard gele and our measurement is 45-55. So like I said, if you want your fan to be on this side, that means you have to measure on your left hand side. But if you want your fan to be on the right hand side, you have to measure on the right hand side. Alright, so let's measure on the right hand side. So just open up. For those of you that don't know how to get your 45-55, please kindly watch my previous videos on how to get them. Alright, so I'll just take 1, 2. So I'm taking 2 inches. Then I pick my place. So for 4 joinings of material, 4 joinings of gele, you have to pick a maximum of 6 pleats and a minimum of 5 pleats. Okay, so this is it. So let's base. So make sure you align your pleats on both sides. So sitting so alright, so we're done basing our pleats. Make sure your gele is sitting directly on the hairline. So once you're done, you can actually adjust and push up so that the edges can show through. So quickly we'll go to the back. Alright, so here we have, so I just fold once, and now this is my shorter hand. Now normally the shorter hand is supposed to be on your right whenever you're standing at the back, but because my gele style is different, and so my shorter hand is actually falling on my left. But still, mind you, like I said, your shorter hand, which is always on your right, now whichever hand that is on your right should always come on top whenever you want to exchange your gele at the back. So now I'm having my longer hand at my right hand, so definitely my longer hand will be going on top of my shorter hand, which is now on my left. Alright, so okay, can we see? So now she's going to go for me. Okay, let's turn. So now can you see? So I've exchanged my ends at the back, so I'm about to start. But the first one I'm gonna start with picking 4 pieces. 4 or 5 pieces, and I base. So if you want to start picking your fan, you can start from here. So this is my first fan. That's the first one. Another one. So gradually you pick the fan. Alright, so mind you, when I get to towards the middle over here, or just a little bit past the middle over here, I need to cross my pleatings across this first rolling I made. So let's do that. So I've actually crossed it now, so I'm just going to continue my pleats like this. Make sure you're holding your fans well. See, I'm starting to make my fans smaller. So once you get towards the end here, so what you need to do now, you twist forward like this.
paint this one. Here you can see I used it to cross the remaining part of the fan, which is for the hand. So when I clean now, alright, so we're almost done. So all you need to do now is you need to tidy up your fan. Then come up. It's not compulsory you use paint, but if your material is that type of material that doesn't fade, kindly use paint so you wouldn't have it thrown up.
You arrange very well, very neatly.
I want to be smart. I go really early, oh. I know your story. I go Yaba to buy material. I go tie my Gele, yeah. And I go no say I don't come. If you see my Gele, oh, it go wound everybody. Gele me got you to yellow. 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 Gele me got. Oga, be sign for. Let me got you together. 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 My Gele big pass your own by far.